Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about nerves of the lower limb. Coming to the topic, the nerves of the lower limb are derived from lumbar flexus of nerves L1 to L4, L1, L2, L3, L4 within the posterior abdominal wall and sacral flexus of nerves L4 to S4 in the posterior pelvic wall. The nerves of the lower limb are femoral, obturator, sciatic, tibial and common peroneal nerves. Once again, the nerves of the lower limb are derived from the lumbar flexus of nerves L1 to L4 within the posterior abdominal wall and sacral flexus of nerves L4 to S4 in the posterior pelvic wall. The nerves of the lower limb are femoral, obturator, sciatic, tibial, common peroneal nerves. First one, femoral nerve. It is present on the front of the thigh and innervates the anterior thigh muscles. Femoral nerve. It present on the front of the thigh and innervates the anterior thigh muscles. This is the femoral nerve. This is the femoral nerve. It is present on the anterior compartment and it innervates the anterior compartment muscles. Okay, this is the femoral nerve. This one. Okay, I think you understand. It is present on the front of thigh and innervates the anterior thigh muscles. Next, obturator nerve. It is present on the medial side of the thigh and innervates the adductors of the thigh. It is present on the medial side of the thigh and innervates the adductors of the thigh. Coming to the figure, this is the obturator nerve. This is the obturator nerve. It is present on the medial side of the, this is the lateral side, this is the anterior, this is the medial and the back side is posterior. It is in medial side and it innervates the adductors of the thigh. Okay, obturator nerve in medial side and innervates adductors of thigh. Next, sciatic nerve. Sciatic nerve is the largest and thickest nerve in the body. Which is the largest and thickest nerve in the body? It is sciatic nerve. It is present in the gluteal region and the back of the thigh. It supplies muscles of the back of the thigh. In the lower part of the back of the thigh, it is divided into tibial and common peroneal nerves. Sciatic nerve is the largest and strongest nerve in the body. It is present in the gluteal region and back of the thigh. It supplies the muscle on the back of the thigh. In lower part of the back of the thigh, it divides into the tibial and common peroneal nerves. This is the sciatic nerve, and the sciatic nerve is the longest and strongest nerve of the body. It is present on the gluteal region and it innervates the gluteal muscles. Okay, and at the lower part of the thigh, it divides into the two nerves, tibial nerve and common peroneal nerve. This is the sciatic nerve. Okay, it divides into the, this is the tibial and this is the peroneal nerve. It divides into tibial and peroneal nerve. This tibial goes in medial side and this common peroneal nerve in lateral side. Okay, and next is tibial nerve. It is present on the back of the leg. Tibial nerve, it is present on the back of the leg and supplies all the muscles on the back of the leg. At the ankle, behind the medial malleolus, it's divided into the medial and lateral plantar nerves, which together supply all the muscles of the toe. Okay, once again, tibial nerve. Tibial nerve is a branch of sciatic nerve. It is present on the back of the leg and supplies all the muscles present on back of the leg. At the ankle, behind the malleolus. At the ankle, behind the malleolus, medial malleolus, behind the medial malleolus, it is divided into medial and lateral plantar nerves, which together supply all muscles of the sole. Okay, this tibial nerve is present on the posterior side of the leg and behind the medial malleolus. This is the medial malleolus, this is the lateral malleolus. Behind the medial malleolus, this tibial nerve is divided into the two nerves. First one is medial and lateral. Okay, this tibial nerve is divided into the medial and lateral plantar nerves. Okay, these two nerves supply the whole muscles of the sole. Next is common peroneal nerve. At the lateral side of the neck of the fibula, it is divided into deep and superficial peroneal nerves. Deep peroneal nerve is present in the anterior compartment of leg and supplies all the anterior leg muscles. At the lateral side of the neck of fibula, lateral side of the neck of fibula, this is the common peroneal nerve. At the lateral, this is the lateral side, this is the medial side, this is the medial side and this is the lateral side. At the lateral side of the neck of the fibula, it is divided into the two parts: deep peroneal nerve, superficial peroneal nerve. Okay, this is the deep. This deep peroneal nerve enters the anterior compartment of leg and supplies the muscles of anterior compartment of leg. Okay, common peroneal nerve. At the lateral side of the neck of the fibula, it's divided into deep and superficial peroneal nerves. The deep peroneal nerve is present in the anterior compartment of leg and supplies all the anterior leg muscles. Next one is superficial peroneal nerve. Superficial peroneal nerve is present in the lateral compartment of leg, supplies all the lateral leg muscles. In addition to the muscles, all the nerves also supply joints and provide cutaneous innervation to the lower limb. The superficial peroneal nerve is present in the lateral compartment of leg and supplies all the lateral leg muscles. This is the superficial peroneal nerve. It is present on the lateral side of the leg and supplies the lateral muscles of the leg. Okay. I think it is clear to you. And what are the nerves that we learn in this video? First, femoral nerve, obturator nerve, sciatic nerve, tibial nerve, common peroneal nerve. And once again, this common peroneal nerve divided into the superficial peroneal nerve and deep peroneal nerve. Deep peroneal nerve supplies the anterior compartment of leg. Superficial peroneal nerve supplies the lateral muscles of leg. Okay. And coming to the tibia. This tibia divided into the medial and lateral plantar nerves behind the medial malleolus. Okay. And these muscles supplies the whole muscles of the sole. Okay. And next, sciatic nerve. This sciatic nerve is largest and strongest nerve of the body. It is present on the gluteal region and back of the thigh, and at the back it divided into two nerves, tibial nerve and common peroneal nerve. Coming to the obturator nerve. Obturator nerve is present in the medial side of thigh and it supplies the adductor muscles of the thigh. Coming to the femoral nerve. This femoral nerve is present in front of the thigh and supplies the anterior compartment muscles. Okay, I think it is clear. We meet in next video. In next video we are going to learn about the arteries of lower limb. Okay guys, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.